Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A72S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this ZTE. You need to start by locating and opening Clock app. Now select Alarm section at the bottom left corner. And before you start adding your alarms, tap on this gear at the top right one. Then adjust all of those alarm options however you wish to, like alarm duration. When you're ready, go back. Tap on this plus to create your alarm and set up an hour. When you finished, click on one of those repeat options: once, weekdays, or custom. If you wish to choose custom, click on it and pick days of the week that you wish to set up. In my case, Mondays and Fridays. Now to save them, hit save at the bottom right corner. Following that, you can tap on snooze. Disable it completely by clicking on this switcher at the top and enable it the same way. If you decide to turn it on, you can also select how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Then go back. Now click on Alarm Tone. Tap on one of those options, Alarm Tone or Music. Tap on the chosen one and save it by hitting OK at the bottom right corner. Lastly, click on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to manage vibrations and click on Label. You can label your alarm however you want to. If you want to, click on OK and save your new alarm by tapping on this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can turn it off completely by selecting this switcher next to it, then clicking on one of those options. If you wish to turn it back on, just click on the same one. Now, to edit your alarm, click on it, make some changes, and select the same checkmark again. Last but not least, to disable your alarm, you need to click on the switcher, but to delete it, you need to hold it. Then click on Delete at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!